place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
And give the amount as 1,95,000 rupees amount. Your choice, 1,90,000. Good. So the next one is give the business areas, and the next one is the text is sale of asset to the customer. 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 No, 50. That is credit entry, right? Customer, what comes in? Sale of asset account. Sale of asset account, not the plant and machinery. Yes. No need to take any transaction type now. Click on the enter. Give the amount. Business area. Text is sale of asset. Sale of asset to the no. Select the asset retirement. Click on the enter. Now give the asset number, ma'am. Now give the asset number. That is plant and machinery 1, I think so. Give the company code. Plant and machinery 1, yes. No need to have any subassets and all. And asset value date is 01.07.2023. Sorry, 30.07.2023. Complete retirement. Transaction type is 210. Go to the continue option. So go to the document simulate option, ma'am. Go to the document simulate option. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Now go to the document display option. Now go to the document display option. Okay, 1,90,000 rupees. So we are selling this to the particular customer. Okay, so can you give /n and go to the AW01N. AW01N. Okay, so ordinary depreciation 792 and loss we are getting 9,208 rupees. Okay, so whenever you are selling this one to the particular customers, okay, how much loss that we are getting? So 9,208 rupees. Okay, uh, with the cost cutting of depreciations. So that is the very important thing right now we have. And now you can just observe sale of asset and loss on sale of asset is 9,008 rupees. But in ECC, you can able to get the entry. Okay, with the help of entry, you can able to get it. But in SAP S/4HANA, uh, you should click mark on each and every entry. Then only you can able to get the entries, all of you. Okay, see. Durga ma'am has done one thing, right? Double click on this thing, automatically you will get the entry with the help of depreciation. Okay, so this is the way you can able to do the complete things with the sale of asset retirement things and all. Okay, so all of you, it will be redirected to the FB03 document automatically. Okay, and you can able to have asset accounting documents, overviews of the line items and all. Okay, so you got loss on sale of asset. See, for each and everything you do have the depreciation calculations and loss on sale of asset accountings and all. This is the information that we have. Okay, and also this is the complete retirement with the particular customer. Okay, so that is the most important thing right now we have.